Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, the Home Cook Hero, and Happy New Year. Welcome to 2022, y'all. So, y'all, I decided to start the year off right with this easy, simple weeknight baked chicken dish. Y'all, it's loaded with veggies all on the bottom, and it makes this amazing gravy. So, y'all, if y'all into it, let's go. Alright, y'all, so the first step is to just slice up all of the veggies that we're going to have as the base or on the bottom of the chicken when we cook it in the oven. So yeah, I have some green peppers, some red peppers, some onions over there on the side as you see, and I also have some potatoes that I'm going to slice up. And yeah, you want to just make sure the slices are all relatively uniform because you're going to be cooking them all together, and you want them to kind of come together all at the same time. So you'll see the peppers and the onions and the potatoes all be kind of cut in a similar size. So yeah, just go in, slice them all up, and then I will be back with y'all in a second. So all in all for this dish, I used 2 large red peppers. I took that little bit of the sticker off of it, and I also used about 1.5 green peppers. The other half was used for something else, and I used 2 medium white onions, and I used about 4 to 5 little small red potatoes, like there as you see. So now I'm pretty much finished with all the veggies, just slicing up these onions. Then after that, I'm going to move over to the garlic. And with the garlic, I'm using like 6, 7, or 8 cloves of garlic. I really want to taste that garlic in there, and I really want to see the garlic in there. So I'm not even using my garlic press. I'm just going to slice them up the old-fashioned way because I still kind of want like bigger chunks in there. So when I'm eating it, I really bite into a substantial piece of garlic. So after that, y'all, I just moved that to the side, and now we're going on to the chicken that is clean and packed completely dry. It's not necessary that it's all the way dry. I mean, I guess we're baking it, so it's not as important as if we were like frying it or something. So anyway, y'all know I'm just like whizzing through this because I just put so many different seasons in and stuff, and I don't want to just bore y'all, so I'm just gonna kind of whiz through that. But you'll definitely see it in the description box, and I'll also have it up on the screen at some point so you all see the different ingredients I use. But yeah, I just mixed everything in, and then I really just rubbed it all through there. Make sure you get it up under the skin too. I mean, yeah, up under the skin, because yeah, I mean, you're gonna eat all that stuff too, and you really want the seasoning to really permeate as much of that meat as possible. So y'all, now I'm going into my little pan that I'm cooking it all in. I'm just first going in with all of those chopped veggies and potatoes that we got together earlier, and after that I'm just going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper because you want to taste this and you don't want it to just be some bland veggies on the bottom. I mean, even though you really season that chicken, you still want to season the veggies as well. And as you see, I'm just mixing it all up in there with that olive oil, just making sure everything is nice and coated, everything's nice and combined. And then, y'all, we are just gonna put that chicken right on the top. And just look at this presentation. You already know when you're doing it like this right here that you already know it's gonna be fire at the end. So y'all, I'm just going in with that garlic, and then I'm also going in with some butter on top of each leg quarter, just to make that sauce and that gravy that develops nice and buttery and nice and good. So after about 20 minutes in the oven, y'all, I'm just taking it out, and I am just basting it a little bit to make sure that everything stays nice and moist, nothing really dries out, even though it's not anyway. Forgot to mention, I should say, that I put it in the oven uncovered on about 400 degrees. So make sure you don't cover it up. If you cover it up, the top is not really going to get all nice and crispy and nice and browned, just as you see right here. It's not going to really give you that. It's going to more so steam, and the veggies are going to be nice and soft and stuff like that. But y'all, either way you do it, it's going to turn out really, really good, just like this right here. Y'all, this just take a moment to appreciate how good this chicken looks, y'all. It really, really is. And y'all, this is the perfect weeknight meal because all you gotta do, you can just get some veggies, slice them all up. You can buy the veggies that are already sliced for you if you don't have time for that, which I totally understand, and just put it all in a pan, mix it all up together, throw some chicken on top. Y'all, this is an easy meal for the weeknight, or really for any time, y'all. And I think your whole family will love it, and it is so hearty and it feeds so many people. Y'all, you really cannot go wrong with this. You know, throw some broccoli up on the side. Definitely make sure you have some rice or some mashed potatoes or something like that to soak up all of that gravy And y'all are good to go. I promise you, this recipe will not disappoint. And y'all, look, y'all already know I had to cut into this chicken to show y'all what it looked like. Just look at this masterpiece. Look at how this chicken turned out, y'all. I really hope you tried this recipe out because it was so good. And it's really simple, y'all. Y'all saw the only step you really have is just to slice the veggies up, y'all. That is it. So I know y'all can do this right here. So definitely give it a try. And if you like it, let me know what you think. Even if you don't like it, let me know what you think. I still want to know. But yeah, y'all, that's all I have for y'all today. We got big things coming in 2022. So if you're ready for the ride, join the family. You can hit that subscribe button. You can like the video. Again, leave me a comment, as I always say. And y'all, I will see you in the next video. Later.
It sound right, boy.